As a veteran, you've already proven you have what it takes to succeed. Now, EVIT is here to help you take the next step. Our career training programs are designed with you in mind, offering hands-on learning, flexible scheduling, and support every step of the way. Whether you're transitioning to civilian life, advancing your skills, or exploring a new career, EVIT is your partner in success.
My name is Halko. I served in the United States Army for 3.5 years. I've done 2 combat tours, one in Iraq and one in Afghanistan, and I got out of the Army as a specialist E4. I like to use my hand, I like to face problems and create solutions for them, and I found that in the plumbing trade. And the best school that I found around was EVIT. Additionally, the time of the class was perfect. They accepted my GI Bill, which is a plus, and that is why I chose EVIT. When we walk back into the civilian life, we are not 20 years old. Skill trade will be more beneficial. You attain that knowledge a lot faster, and you can get in the job market a lot faster. If I could go back, I got out of the military service in 2012. I would have pursued education right away. I would have got onto this program a lot sooner. My advice to veterans is if they want to get in the job market with a skill that is marketable in any place and that skill goes with them anywhere they want, I suggest that they look into trade school.
With industry connections and programs tailored to today's workforce, we'll help you build a future you're proud of. Your future, your way at EVIT.